Hey, hope you are doing good. So, in this video, I'll show you how I set up Facebook conversion API for this landing page. Okay, so you can see over here. So, this is a service-based business, and I'm running uh, Google and Facebook ads for them. So, they told me to set up Facebook conversion API. As you know, browser side tracking will be ending soon, so we need to switch into server side tracking. And for Facebook, it is called Facebook Conversion API. Okay, so in this video, we'll show you how I set up Facebook Conversion API. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get it started. Okay, perfect. So you can see over here, uh, I have set up browser side container for this landing page, and similarly I have set up server side container for this landing page. Okay, and uh, as a rented server, I'm using step.io. You can see over here. So if you go to over here, then you can see this is our domain. So I'm using a custom domain because I want to collect first party data. So what you need to do, you need to add this DNS records to your cPanel. Okay, so you can see my status is ready. That means I am collecting first party domain. Okay, so you should also use this first party domain method or first party tracking method. So you could have used uh, the step own domain because they will give you step own domain, but using step own domain, you will not be able to collect first party data. That's why you need to use custom domain. You can see over here. Okay, perfect. So if I go to tag manager, then you can see over here. So uh, we're using this URL whenever someone book an appointment. So this is our one of the conversion goals, and this is the thank you page. So whenever a user submit the form and get a code, and he or she will be redirected to a thank you page. So we are using these two conversions as our main conversion. Then we have some uh, micro conversion as well. So you can see over here Facebook event bookings, then Facebook event click to phone call. So if I go to my landing page, then you can see there is an option called phone number, and when someone click on this number, I'm tracking this as a phone call click. Okay, perfect. And you can see this is Facebook event lead form submission. This is basically for thank you page URL, and this is for the booking. Okay, then Facebook event message leads. So if I go to my landing page, then if someone click on this message button and click on this send button, then I'm tracking this as Facebook message lead events. Okay, and this is Facebook page view event, and another event is called Facebook pop-up leads. So if I go to this website, then uh, we have a pop-up. Okay, so if I refresh the page, let me show you. There should be a pop-up. Okay, so actually there is a pop-up form. So yeah, this one. So whenever someone fill up this form and click on this contact us today and go to the uh, confirmation page, and he will get a code. Then I'm using this as an event, Facebook event pop-up list. So this is for browser side tracking, and we're using GA4 for sending the server side data. Okay, so if I click on GA4 tag, then you can see as the server container URL, I am using the first party domain, you know, so HTTP tracking, this one. So if I go to the step, then you'll be able to see I'm using this domain. As I already told you, this is our first party domain. Okay, perfect. And we are using event ID, then first party data collection MVP BC, first party data collection. Okay, so we are using GA4 client for sending browser side data to server side. Okay, then you can see we are using server side event. So if I click on it, then you can see we are using GA4 measurement ID, then event name is schedule. Make sure you are naming exactly same uh, as this one if the event is custom event. Okay, so if I go to this is for server event name is schedule. So if I go to the browser event, then you can see over here the event name is schedule. So both of the events name should be same. Like in browser side, if it is custom event, make sure that you are naming exactly same in the browser side and server side. Okay, so similarly I have created a server side uh, event for click to phone call, then server side for lead form submission, server side for message lead, server side for pop-up. Okay, and if I go to the server container, then you can see we are using Facebook conversion API template. Okay, then I'm using pixel ID, API access token, test event code, and I'm using extend metapixel cookies, enable event measurement. And if I click on Capi trigger, okay, so I have given the trigger name as Capi trigger, and I'm using client name equals GA4. Okay, as I already told you, we are sending browser side data to server side using GA4 client. That's why the client name equals GA4. Okay, so this is how I am uh, setting Facebook conversion API uh, for this landing page actually. So if I try to show you that whether we are getting data in event manager or not, so you can see over here this is our pixel, and you can see Facebook page view, so integration multiple and event mesh quality is good, then lead multiple, that means conversion API good, schedule multiple, okay, phone call clicks. So we have sent a custom event called phone call clicks, and we're getting data multiple good, contact multiple good, pop-up leads multiple. Then yeah, so this is how we are setting up Facebook conversion API. So this is for a service-based business, and I will show you how we can set up Facebook conversion API for an e-commerce site. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. So hopefully you have liked our video, and additionally, if you need any server side tagging services, like if you want to set up Facebook conversion API, GFO server side tagging, Google Ads server side tagging, TikTok server side tagging, Pinterest server side tagging, then you can contact us and we'll be able to help you. Okay, so this is one of the case studies videos, so hopefully you have liked it. So yeah, uh you have a good day. Bye bye.